Hi, hello. Today I am going to show you how to improve your kids reading level within 2 months with this long ways binder or phonetics binder. We can call both the names. So let's go and see the video. So for this long ways or phonetics binder, we need one file and some A4 sheets and some blue and red black sketch we need. And I made this in PowerPoint. I just took printout. I insert inside in the file each page. But for your case, you can write in the paper with sketches and you can insert each page. So let's go and see how it's going to work. I just made alphabets like this. This is small alphabets. I just cut it small pieces and I just print. This is printed one actually. You can write with sketch. So in this also color variation is there. Did you see Z? Z is consonant, so red color, and P is and N is and U is oval, so it's blue color. So like this I made capitals and small letters. So along with this binder we need these two alphabet, small and capital letters. So with this only we are going to teach our kids how to build words. This is the first page in my binder. So in my binder, first step is alphabets teaching. Along they are sounds. Confident in that sounds. So next I will show you what is this color variations in alphabets. So for easily remembering consonants and vowels, so I made like this color variation. So this is vowels and red color is consonants. So just same like this in small letter also. I just made color variation vowels and consonants. So first page and second page over. So next is third page. So third page, did you see here all two letter words only here. So why I made like this means this is for parents to see and teach to kids here. So already we learn here consonants and vowels blue color. So this is consonant and this is vowels. So here two letter words b a. Ba is consonant, a is vowel. So your kid already know consonant is red color and vowel is blue color. So now we are going to make b red color, a blue color. So b a, ba, ba, ba. Like this two letter words we are going to teach kids. So next one is three letter words. So this is CVC blending. So consonants and vowels and consonants blending this one. So these all for parents. So this is for d, a, d. So D is consonant, A is vowel and D is consonant. So this is the kids work. D, a, d. So d, d, a, d, dad, d, a, d, dad. So dad, dad. So like this consonant, vowel, consonant blending. So in this way we will teach three letter words. In this page we are going to see two consonants at the beginning. So with two consonants at the beginning we are making four letter word. See, did you see here B plus L, B plus L, bl. So B, L, ot, blot. So first we are going to make two consonants at the beginning. So first B, L. So this two consonants b, l, bl. So these two consonants will come here at the beginning. We are learning now two consonants at the beginning. So these two consonants will come at the beginning. Bl. Next blue color. So oval. Or t. So bl, ot. Bl, bl, ot. Blot. Blot. it is very easy for kid to read 4-letter word if you make them understand in this way. Okay, in this page we are seeing two consonant blends at the ending. Before we saw at the beginning, now we are seeing at the ending. So now these two consonants will come at the ending. Did you see? So so first we are going to make ending consonants, two consonants at the ending. So first we are seeing t, t, t. So once your kid is confident in this two-letter sound, we will take this t, t. So we will take these two consonants here, we will keep it here. So now which word we are going to make? Gift. So now we will take gift. Gift is consonant, so it should come in the red color. So next I is oval. So now gift, gift. Like this we are going to make 4-letter word. So this is two consonant blends at the ending. So with using this high frequency words we can make sentence. So now your kid is confident with 2 letters and 3 letters. So now we can teach our kids 2-letter, 3-letter words sentences with the high frequency words. So now we are going, this is for parents to teach kids, and this is kids work. So now we are going to make this he is damn. So first he is damn. So did you see? He is damn. He is damn. So like this your kid will start reading sentence with 2 letters and 3-letter words. Till now we saw consonants at the ending and consonants at the beginning. So now we are going to see one consonant when comes 2 times, how to pronounce. So by seeing this page you can teach to your kid. So we are going to do now miss. Okay, first we will keep double consonants at the end. So we are keeping S and S. So first we will teach this one. So now which word we are going to make? Miss. Is miss. A. So now a miss. A miss. Miss. This double consonant blend, they can make word like this and they can read very easily. So now let's go and see next page, that is diagrams. So now diagraph step by step. When 2 different consonants come together and create single syllabus or single sound, it is called digraphs. These 2 consonants will make one sound sh. Now we are going to make sh, ip, ship. So sh, e, p, sh, ip, sh, ip, ship. So like this digraph we can make. Then long vowel sounds. So till now we learn short vowels. Now we are going to learn long vowel sounds like a, e, like that sound will stretch. With this we are going to make 5-letter words. So after finish this long vowels words, directly kid will read 5-letter words storybooks. So This is the very simple way to teach your kid. In one binder you can teach alphabets to reading level. So spend with your kid half an hour with this binder. It's more than enough for them. So if you like this video, please give me comment and like it and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.